That's Coots and I'm Mark, and we built this boat, and today we're going to show you 7 of the upgrades that we've done to it. And stick around to the end because we've got a special holiday surprise.
Do we?
That even he doesn't know about. Ho ho.
When we first got our boat, it didn't have the red and green navigation lights or an anchor light on it, so we had to install those.
We didn't realize the mistake that we made on the anchor light until it was too late.
Our first adventure out, the anchor light got ripped off.
So about 10 years ago, me and my buddy got duped into getting a free boat, and we learned the hard way that boats weren't free. But before we gave the boat away, we ended up taking out the stereo from it, and we installed it on this boat.
Installing the radio is pretty easy. You just cut out a spot on the dashboard, and it slides right in just like a car radio.
We got a radio.
The antenna on it did not work too well, but it had Bluetooth on it, so we were good to go. One of the biggest problems we have with such a small boat is we have tons of tools to go out on our missions, and there's nowhere to put them.
So we drew up some blueprints, and we finally made a storage box to store it all. And the box could also double as a bench.
Our next upgrade was to rip out the bench that we put in because we didn't actually use it as a bench. We just put stuff on it and then put stuff on the other stuff and just kept piling stuff everywhere. So we ended up ripping out the bench and making vertical storage shelves.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Matt Pingle.
Oh, there you go. That's wrenching down. So Coots bought this caulking because it was, we could apply it. Oh, please float. All right, Matt, we owe you a mallet. Do you want to give Matt an apology since you're on your knees? This is that caulking that I was talking about. You can apply it in 0 degrees.
Which is the only reason we got it.
Yeah, and it's awesome. A little too awesome. The frame is out. That's about it right there.
The shelf gives us space to put some of the smaller stuff, while the bench box holds the big tools. Also adding the shelf, added this little back closet type area where we could hang our waders and stuff.
We finally have some space.
Now that we took care of our storage projects, it was time to make us a surface that we could work on and cook on and probably just stack crap on again.
We ended up reusing the materials from the bench that we ripped out, and that's always good because it saved us some money. We're not sure what the game plan is with the galley yet, but we might end up putting a sink there.
Super sturdy. The payoff.
Another good thing about the table being where it was is it covered the batteries to keep them safe, and then it gave us storage space on top of them.
Whoa. Don't forget about the special Christmas surprise coming up.
The garbage bag that we used to cover up the window that we blew out in our last video wasn't holding in the heat wells, so it's time to fix it.
Wanna help me do this shit? Oh shit. I say help. He walks away from me. She's a beaut. He's smarter than I am. Dude, this sucks with the big angle. As if this thing isn't dangerous enough. Yeah.
Look at that form. Nothing.
Does it look like level?
Yeah.
You lying?
No, I can't imagine it looking better.
Done's better than perfect, right? We got the best of both worlds. That's how you do that. Oh yeah. Sealed.
Not too shabby. Fit a spice rack in there now.
Quick, favorite spice? Cumin.
Wrong.
It's pepper, clearly. The new motor that we got was awesome, but there was a huge problem with our boat.
There was nowhere to run the power cord from our battery to our motor aside through the open door. So whenever we closed up shop at the end of the day, we had to disconnect it and then close the door and then store the cable in some weird awkward way to try to keep it dry. So we had to fix that.
You want to try and pull that black cable out real quick? Yeah! There we go. Ha!
Huzzah!
Hitting something super hard. Of course, there's a screw right there. Oh yeah. God. Oh yeah. We can feed this through. Yeah, we got a lot of slack. There we go.
Try giving it a push. It's good.
Okay. So now that that's hooked up, can you try getting it flat for when we put some other crap on here? Is it gonna be too tight when we turn it? Now, it should be hooked up all the time without us having to mess with it. There you go. Now, you gotta put the deck down. Test it out. Oh, I like it. Did you see that snot come out?
Yeah, I did.
Let's go. Oh, it's perfect. The finished product for now.
You ready for the Christmas surprise?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's go.
Where is it?
It's up here. Oh, this is sketchy. I forgot.
What's the surprise for? Is it for me?
Of course it's for you. All right, here it is. You gotta open it.
Oh, God. Couple pounds to it.
Oh,
What is that? This isn't the actual one it came with, it's another one?
it's another low pitch.
Ooh, sharp. Oh, yeah. Excellent. What's this?
Haha. I almost spoiled this the other day when we were editing videos. Here, let me just move this out of the way. Two things. More? What is all this?
We have... Oh my God. You did almost spoil it.
It's the e-propulsion anti-cavitation plate
That's excellent.
because we have to lift our motor up very high. So we're gonna install these.
In our next video right here, we're gonna take it apart, inspect it, and
Give a full review on it. So click right here, and thanks for watching.
What he said.
I think that's a good one. So what do you think of the surprise?
It was surprising. I thought it was going to be pure crap.